Every year we say proudly 23 recurring programs at Staten Island, and every year we only grow from that. Our center has become a true hub for families and youth. Each year brings new faces, new memories, and stronger connections. And with phase 2, this growth will only continue, inshallah. At the heart of it all is our musalla, a place of peace, comfort. With its high ceilings and warm, welcoming feel, it's where our hearts gather in prayer. And that's not all. The next phase introduces 2 brand new event halls in our cellar, spaces that will host youth programs, classes, community events, and so much more to keep our community engaged and connected. We're building something truly special, but we need your support. Let's reach our goal by 2026 and together see this dream come to life.
This past year, Staten Island has reached over 7 million people on all of our social platforms, and that only came through your support and your efforts. Our marketing is one of our biggest strengths. From our flyers to our videos, we've been able to reach people nationwide to show what our community is all about. Many of our videos have been hitting hundreds and thousands of views, and it's amazing to see how far our message is spreading. And for the first ever time, our center published Sheikh Ahmed Tahoon's full Quran recitation on all major platforms. This shows our marketing impact goes a long way, not only through Quran releases, but through every program, event, and message we share here. From our beautiful flyers to our creative reels, and even this very video, every project is a blessing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed to help us grow and connect with more hearts. This is only the beginning. With your continued support, we'll only reach more people, inspire more hearts, and grow our marketing work even further.
Alhamdulillah, with your support, what was once a dream is now becoming a reality. A project that began with just a few people gathering to pray in a small, humble building. Today, that dream has transformed into a vibrant community hub, a second home that welcomes more than 3,000 visitors every week.
Assalamu alaikum. Here is a quick progress update and how your support is bringing us closer to opening for Ramadan 2026. Outside, the building envelope is moving fast, the walls are closed, installation and rain screening system are done, and we are ready for GFRC panels and windows. The site is prepared to begin landscape and site work next. Your donation got us here, alhamdulillah. Downstairs here is our multi-purpose hall for events, prayer, and community programs. Accommodate about 400 worshippers. It can be divided into 2 halls with a movable partition. And at the back, we have the main wudu and restrooms for brothers. This is the main prayer hall where the Imam will lead from the mihrab and minbar. The high ceiling leads to a larger skylight and windows for natural light. The hall connected to the main lobby with 3 doors and accommodate about 300 worshippers. On the second floor, the Sisters Prayer Hall will host about 120 worshippers with a direct view of the Imam with a natural light from the skylight and the window. Here on the roof, we are creating an outdoor shaded area beneath the pergola connected to phase 1 for community activities. We finished parapets and ductwork to start the main roofing system and paver. The main skylight over the prayer hall will install next and finish the minaret. With your dua and support, we are on track for Ramadan 2026, alhamdulillah. Please help us and share this update. Every contribution moves us closer, inshallah.
The total project cost is $13 million. Alhamdulillah, 10.5 million has been already collected and paid. Only 2.5 million remains to finish. We need to raise $1 million before Ramadan so that, inshallah, by Ramadan 2026, we can all pray together in the whole building, and another 1.5 million during Ramadan 2026 to complete the entire project. From a tiny space to a state-of-the-art facility, We are witnessing history being written and a legacy being built. Your support has brought us this far. Let's finish what we started together. A sadaqah jariyah for generations to come.
وما تفعلوا من خير فإن الله به عليم